Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to log out of all devices on Roblox. If you're concerned about the security of your Roblox account or want to ensure that you've logged out from all devices, you can easily do it from your Roblox account at once. Go ahead and open up the Roblox app on your device and log into your account if necessary. After you're in the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. In the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Security. Look for the option that says Log out of all device or sessions and tap on it. Click on Log out in the pop-up and then you will be able to log out of all devices that are currently logged into your Roblox account. By following these steps, you can ensure that no one else has access to your Roblox account across multiple devices. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more tutorials. I'll be back with the next one. Thank you for watching.